Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. 2010 National Chicle Baseball. Looking for 2 autographs, 1 relic per box. Also, you get a cabinet card. Some of them are autographed, as well as the checklist, or I don't even know. I think that's the checklist, but there's the cabinet card. Some of these are autographed by the artist, but let me take all the packs out first. Ton of packs here too. And there we go. So good luck. I'm gonna open the cabinet card first. I'll move that up. And let me put these on camera. And that will go right there. So we're good to go. Here's the cabinet. Good luck. Yeah, Madison Bumgarner is in this. I actually pulled him before. I had the Giants when I pulled him. But here we go. Doesn't look like it's autographed or anything, and it is not, but still a nice looking... I know a bunch of people on eBay purchased these. I guess they're trying to complete this set, but Nolan Ryan for the Mets. Nice looking photo. Nolan Ryan for the Mets. Pretty sick. So, alright, let me put some there and put some there. Good luck. Pack number 1. 2 autographs, 1 relic, 8 minutes left in this video. Lots of base too. And I'm gonna flip these over also, because I know there's some that are like, there's some bazooka backs that are short printed. So I'll just flip them over to make sure. National Chicle, Babe Ruth. Tell me if these are short printed, the ones with that kind of back. Does anyone know? It's a short print? Alright, I'll put it to the side. I believe, yeah, there's a regular base back, and then there's ones that are a little different. I know there's bazooka, and there's some other variations of it. All base. And here's our autograph. Not bad at all. For the Giants, on-card autograph, which I really like. For the Giants, Pablo Sandoval. And he's really good, so there you go. Mr. Ken, that's yours. Complaining that he doesn't get anything in my breaks, and he gets the first hit. Short print of Lou Gehrig for the Yankees. So there's one of the 2 autographs. And here's our relic. It'll be for the Mets. For the Mets, a game-used bat numbered out of 199, which is pretty cool. 199 of Carlos Beltran. Carlos Beltran for the Mets, who's actually injured, but he's coming back soon. So, you got the Cardinals. Alright, we'll see. And here's our next autograph. It'll be for the Indians. On-card autograph, not numbered, of Michael Brantley. I really hope that we're getting some extra hits, because that's all 3 from the box already. Michael Brantley. And it's... Oop. Keeps slipping out of my hands, but it's fine. Michael Brantley for the Indians. Come on, extra hits. I guess that's what we could hope for right now. We got a rookie of Juan Francisco for the Reds. And the rest is base. I believe that's a short print of Jimmy Rollins. Bazooka back short print for the Dodgers of Clayton Kershaw. Bazooka. And base. So, ton of packs left. Let's get another hit. Come on. Nothing in there. Yeah, I know there's a ton of short prints. I'm going to have to go back to all the base also. Just to see if there's any other short prints. But I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes. But I know there's a lot of short prints in this product. Oh, another auto. Oh, is that autographed? Oh my God, sick. Is that? I think that might actually be the artist proof. It is the artist proof. I thought he signed it, but still a really nice card. It is the artist proof autograph. It looked like Mariano, but it's the Mariano Rivera number 10 out of 10 artist proof for the Yankees. Still nice, but I thought it was a Mariano auto, which he never signs. So there you go, Brian. 10 out of 10. eBay 1 of 1. Right there, artist proof. It looks like an M. It looks like an M, like Mariano, but still really nice. There you go. Start it up. And base, that might be a short print. I'll keep that. There's a Troy Tulowitzki for the Rockies. I don't know if I got to check if those are short printed or not. So still a nice Mariano. Not many Mariano autographs out there. Bazooka back of Eric Young Jr. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe he's on the Cubs. That's a USA, but I'm pretty sure he's on the Cubs. The Rockies? Okay. Rockies or Cubs? Because I knew he played with his the team his father played on, Eric Young Sr. Because Eric Young Sr., he played on a bunch of teams. Played in Cubs, Rockies. I don't know. I can't even come. I think it's the Giants he played on at one point, his father. Possible short print of J.D. Drew for the Red Sox. 3 packs left. Bazooka back of Honus Wagner. That's actually a really cool card. Nice looking card there. And final pack. A 0, eBay 0 of 0. Is all base with no short prints. So nice box overall, not too bad. We hit an extra on-card autograph of the artist, who I'm going to read the back of this real quick. Mike Kupka. Art goes well beyond the realism depicted in his paintings. He brings together all the ingredients necessary to make an illustration successful. Mike's work attracts the eye of many companies, galleries, and respected art critics as well as collectors. And he gives you his website. Number 10 out of 10 autograph and that's the Mariano Rivera version. So we'll be back. GSN Cards is out.